This is Maria Brown with Palmas Dream Homes, and today I am in Beach Village.
Living in Beach Village means waking up to the sound of the waves and soaking in stunning ocean views every day. Nestled right next to the Windham Palmas Resort, residents enjoy easy access to fine dining, resort-style amenities, and leisure activities, all just steps from home. This beachfront community offers a variety of apartment sizes, each just a short stroll from the sand. With assigned parking and the flexibility of short-term rentals, it is perfect for both full-time residents and vacation homeowners. Beach Village residents enjoy 24-hour security and world-class amenities, including championship golf, tennis, pickleball courts, and a lively beach club, all part of the Palmas Athletic membership. Take a scenic ride from the Equestrian Center or explore the area via golf cart or jogging trails. With shopping, dining, and medical facilities conveniently located at nearby Palma Nova Plaza, Beach Village combines the peace of coastal living with everyday convenience, all in a warm, welcoming community you'll be proud to call home.
For more information, visit palmasdreamhomes.com.